After a decade-long wait, the stage is set for the first phase of polling in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, where over 23 lakh voters will decide the fate of 219 candidates, including 19 dependents in 24 assembly segments. Voting for the first phase as we speak has begun. 7 districts located on either side of the Pir Panjal mountain range will vote for the first time in an assembly election in 10 years. Of the 24 seats going to polls today, 8 are in 3 districts of Jammu region and 16 are in 4 districts of Kashmir Valley. My colleague Nazir is also joining me, who has been tracking the poll pulse in the Union Territory. Nazir, it is a new sunrise in Jammu and Kashmir. The voting has begun. The fate of 219 candidates will be decided today. Take us through the key candidates who are in fray right now.
Well, it's a day people have been waiting for since long. After a gap of 10 years, assembly elections are finally happening, though in the Union Territory. People were hoping that the elections will be held after the restoration of the state, which was revoked. Statehood was revoked in 2019, besides J&K special status under 370. So it is the first election after abrogation of 370. 219 candidates are in the fray for these 24 assembly seats which are going to polls today. And I'm here in Pulwama, and people have already started coming to cast their vote. So these people, there are at least 3-4, you can see polling booths, and they are coming one by one to cast their vote here in Pulwama. So, as there are 20, 30, the number of booths I'll tell you is 3,276 polling booths. So, आपने वोट डाला?
हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
सवेरे
पहला वोट डाला।
क्या कितनी खुशी थी आज 10 साल बाद असेंबली इलेक्शन हुए जम्मू?
बहुत खुशी हुई।
तो प्रचार किया अच्छा लोगों पार्टीज ने?
फिर हमें जब हमें अपना कैंडिडेट मिलेगा, वो थोड़ा बहुत तरक्याती काम करेंगे।
क्या मसले हैं, क्या
कुछ नहीं चला।
आप कहते हैं कि अपने कैंडिडेट, अपने नुमाइंदे होने चाहे वो करेंगे।
हाँ बिल्कुल,
आपका काम करेंगे।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
10 साल से
नहीं हुआ, बस इधर उधर करता है तो बस, बाकी कुछ नहीं हुआ।
बहुत शुक्रिया। So that is the sentiment of a common man, common voter. As I said, there are 3,276 polling booths across 7 districts, across 24 seats. 23 lakh people, or 23 lakh people will cast their vote today. They are eligible to cast their vote. And among them are more than 1.2 lakh who are between the age group of 18 and 19. That means they have voted, they will be for the first time voting. But among the voters is 30% are those who are voting almost for the first time in assembly elections, because the age group, which is less than 29%, it is the 30% voters. So you can imagine 30% voters will be voting for the first time in assembly elections, because assembly elections are taking place after a gap of 10 years. It's not a small time. तो आप बताइए, सवेरे सवेरे वोट डालने के लिए आए? तो क्या है आपका शुभ नाम, क्या मुद्दे हैं इस इलेक्शन के?
कुछ फायदा आना चाहिए। और
हाँ। तो इस इतने साल कोई नुमाइंदा नहीं था आपका?
ना, इतने साल में कोई नहीं।
हाँ, तो अब फाइनली आप कर रहे हैं, इलेक्शन हो रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल।
हाँ?
बहुत खुश से।
बहुत खुश। So people are very happy. They are saying they are electing their representatives for the first time after a gap of 10 years. So this is the longest gap between 2 assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir, which is 10 years. It has never happened before, despite militancy in 1990. Even that time elections were held. The 2 elections, there was only gap of 9 years old, but this time it was 10 years. So finally, elections taking place. People have started to come to cast their vote, and massive security arrangements have also been made to ensure nothing goes wrong.